Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending code. So let's get started. So here we are on Telegram. As you can see, we are currently in the confirmation page. And from here, what you would need to do first is that you want to make sure that you have the correct number right here that you have input, because that might be very basic, but that is also a very common problem that people do. That is why they are not receiving the code, because they have input the wrong phone number. And then once you have verified that it's correct, what you can do is that you can check your Telegram app on your other phone where you are currently logged in, and Telegram should have messaged you the code right there. As you can see, mine, I have this right here. And also the most common mistake that people do is that they check on the message app on the phone itself that is built in, not on the Telegram app, because Telegram doesn't message you the code in your SIM itself, but on the Telegram app. But if you don't have any means of getting your confirmation code, then what I suggest is that you want to go into Play Store. And then from here, you want to make sure that your Telegram app is updated right here. And then the next thing would be to, if you don't have that, then you can just go here into Telegram or Telemessenger Chat Secure. You can just log in here and see if it would still require you the code, because some people says that they found other apps to be the bypass for this problem, because other apps won't ask for the confirmation code. So you can might as well try it out, like for example this app right here. So yeah, I hope one of those methods help you in fixing this problem. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.